Invoicing as a freelancer is essential for getting paid promptly and keeping your finances in order. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create and send invoices. Choose an invoicing method. Use invoicing software, an app, or create a template using Word or Excel. Include essential information. Header. Add your name, logo, and contact information. Client information. Include the client's name, company, and contact details. Invoice number. Assign a unique invoice number for tracking purposes. Invoice date. The date the invoice is issued. Due date. Specify the payment due date. Detail the services. Description. Clearly describe the services provided. Hours or units and rate. List the number of hours worked or units provided and the rate charged. Subtotal. Calculate the subtotal before taxes and discounts. Taxes and discounts. Apply relevant taxes and any discounts. Calculate the total amount. Total. Sum the subtotal, taxes, and any additional fees to get the total amount due. Payment terms and methods. Payment terms. Specify terms like net 30, net 15, or upon receipt. Payment methods. List accepted payment methods. Add notes and instructions. Notes. Add any additional information, such as a thank you note or special instructions. Instructions. Provide clear payment instructions and bank details if necessary. Review and send. Review the invoice for accuracy and completeness. Send the invoice via email or through your invoicing software. Follow up. Track the invoice status and send reminders if payment is not received by the due date.